pretty right there.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, rainbow colors.
Mommy, my stuffies love it.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Yeah, that's okay. Ooh, those are neat, eh?
Look at the flowers. They're flowers.
Mm-hmm.
I think. I'm pretty sure. Why did they get to see those ones?
Because it's at the casino. It's at the casino.
But do they know people are going to be sitting over here?
Oh yeah. Everybody comes here every summer. Lots of people come here every summer. Ooh. Jeez.
Those are really pretty.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah.
do you think the loudness of that are scaring the old people?
No.
They're probably
I think they're gonna be okay. Ooh, red. Ooh, I like those half moon ones.
Waking up today. Oh yeah.
Ooh, that one's really high.
Mommy, what if airplanes are flying and by mistake we fly in the thing, in the fire?
They won't. But you can actually buy tours in the plane, where you take a plane ride to watch the fireworks up in the air. Or there's the casino at the hotel, where if you get a room on the side of the fireworks, you can watch them from your hotel room. Yeah. Oh, that was weird, eh? Like a half moon.